Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Joseph Novichkov, Senior Trading Manager with GDM. Today's outlook, firstly we're going to start with the Asian markets. They finished mostly higher on Tuesday, with of course, respectively, the Shanghai composite was up about 4 points or nearly 0.1% at 31.32. While of course, the Shenzhen composite gained about 7.5 points or up about 0.35% to 2077. Japan's Nikkei 225 closed up 130 points or about 0.75% at 17,365, reaching levels not seen since April on stronger dollar. And while at it, the dollar-yen implied volatility fell sharply for the past 7 months. And of course, more market players expect the currency pair to get stuck in an hour trading range. The dollar edged higher against the yen, standing firm at 104.40, just below its recent high of 104.60, and that was set this month. European stocks opened higher on Tuesday, with corporate earnings dominating the market moves today. The Pan-European Stock 600 index was up about 0.3% or 1.15 points from the opening. Respectively, of course, in the morning trade, the FTSE 100 36 points up or about 0.5% up. DAX 30 is also 56 points up or about 0.5% as well. Tracking the dollar that held near 9-month highs against basket of major currencies on Tuesday, as of course solid US manufacturing activity and comments from a Federal Reserve officials cemented expectations on a US rate hike by the year end. As the dollar held firm, the pair euro versus the dollar traded at 1.0877, as we can see, within an inch away from its 7-month low of 1.0860, and that was touched on Friday. Speaking of which, sterling is also a little changed as the previous pair, up about 0.1% at the opening at 1.2230, and that was on healthy, of course, demand, but of course increasing probability of US interest rate hikes and firmer US dollar kept gold prices range bound for now, which is little changed. Basically, we would say it's unchanged at all at 12.66 since yesterday. Oil prices, however, were slightly higher on Tuesday, but disagreement with producers cartel OPEC, who should cut production in planned coordinate reduction to prop up prices, are mounting up. US West Texas Intermediate crude futures were up about 0.5%, as we can see, or 24 cents to the dollar at $50.70 a barrel. And of course, later in the session, a bit more important news: the American Petroleum Institute will publish its weekly statistical bulletin. That's all of the most important of today. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.